certain standby instructions for the exam. Your exam for English would be of 50 marks. Okay. Your morals exam will also be of 50 marks. And in both the cases, you will have your online exams, but the only difference is morals exam would be on Google form, where you will be given multiple choice questions, as well as you will be asked to write the answers in a text form. That means you will be texting it in the Google form only. When we talk of English exam, for English exam, you will have a proper pen paper test. A question paper would be given to you 15 minutes before the beginning of the exam, and then you will read the question paper and you will do the answers on a paper. Now, this time, if you do not click the clear image, that means corner to corner image, the papers will be disqualified. They will be not uploaded only for the checking. And we will say that we did not receive your PDF. Okay. So clicking the photographs is necessary. We were lenient in the half yearlies because at that time making a PDF was new to you. But now you are aware of it and you know how to deal it. So things will be strictly taken up this time. Apart from this, the 50 marks questions in literature will be divided into 3 sections. Section A will be the reading section where a comprehension unseen passage would be given to you and you would be asked questions based on it. Poem unseen given to you and you would be asked questions based on it. That means you might have 2 comprehensions. Total would be of 10 marks. Reading section A would be of 10 marks. Whether we give you 2 comprehensions, 1 passage and 1 poem, and based on them the question answers, or maybe we give you a single comprehension and questions of 10 marks based on it. We could also give you a poem and based on it you will be doing the question answers. So there will be a pattern depending on the teacher whose paper will come. Point to be noted is section A would be of 10 marks. That means comprehension would be of total 10 marks. Okay. Coming to section B. Now section B will have your writing skills. Now for writing skills, you will be having, you did letter writing, you did paragraph writing, you did message writing, and you did notice writing. Out of these 4, there will be no paragraph writing coming. All the teachers who are taking English in class 6 have decided we will not give you a paragraph to write. Okay. Now first let me tell you section B will be of 20 marks. You will have your writing skills plus grammar. Now writing skills would be of 8 marks. Now in writing skills, all the teachers have decided we will not do the paragraph writing. So that means you will be left with a choice with message and notice. Teachers might give you a notice writing or they might give you a message. Out of the 2, you don't know what teacher will give. Okay. Supposing I gave message writing, then I will not give notice writing to you. Say other teacher of the same section of other section of class 6, supposing she gives notice writing, she will not give you message writing then. So you have to basically prepare both. because you don't know whose paper will come. Okay, so notice and message writing would be of maybe 3 marks. Then comes the letter writing, which will definitely be given by both the teachers or any teacher of teaching class English, class 6, the English, okay, the subject English. So letter writing would be of the remaining marks. That means if 8 is the mark given for the writing skills, 3 will be for notice oblique message writing. So 5 marks letter. Okay. So you need to know your pattern of writing the letters very correctly. Clear? Now letters, you will only get informal letters. That means letters which you write to your parents, to your uncle, auntie, to your friends, to your relatives. Okay, that will be also unseen, but you should know the pattern in which you write the address, how you begin the letter, how you end the letter. You do not write your full name. You do not write yours lovingly Preeti Parmar. No, you only write yours lovingly Preeti, your first name. Okay, so please keep these things into consideration because these are the things which will help you gain marks or they might even take away your marks. Can you see me? Yes, you can. Okay. Okay. Next we come on to section C. Now section C, oh sorry, section B, the remaining 12 marks would be for grammar. Now grammar, at the same time while I'm discussing, I'm telling you the syllabus of grammar as well. Okay, in grammar, you will be having conjunctions, prepositions, subject verb agreement. Children, can you just wait a second? Just let me cross check from the syllabus that I've given you. Can you see my screen? Okay. So you will have conjunctions, prepositions, subject verb agreement, active and passive voice, idioms, one word, different part of speech, prefixes and suffixes. We have covered all the headings. Now there will be something given from the first term also. And for that, we'll have the gender and the number exercises. Okay. If you open to your nouns section, you will find the noun number and noun genders. Okay. Masculine,
Ma'am,
feminine, neuter. Yes, child.
ma'am, articles is not coming.
No, child. Articles is not coming. We did it unknowingly. It was my mistake. I told you also. Knowing anything is not a problem, but
Okay.
then it will not come for the exam. Okay. So this is your subject for the section B. Now section B, let me repeat, will be of 20 marks, 8 marks for writing skills and 12 marks for grammar section. Clear? The exercises would come from the book only. Gender and number, please go through it. Maybe a 2-mark question might come from there. So just quickly go through it. Don't waste a lot of time from there. Okay. Then we come on to section C. Now section C has the chapters which we have done in literature. The chapters are Quest for Natural Living, Mother Bear's Call, Mora, The Millionaire Miser, and The Adventures of Isabel. Okay. Now, from these chapters, please go through the writer's name and the name of the lesson correctly. Okay? If you write instead of, if the chapter's name is Mora and if you write the Mora, it is wrong. Okay? Or supposing the chapter's name is The Millionaire Miser and you write only Millionaire Miser, it is wrong. You should know the proper name of the chapter and the writer's name. Then reference to context would be of 4 marks. Word meanings would be of 4 marks. Question answers would be of 12 marks. That means section C, that is the literature section, that would be also of 20 marks. So broadly dividing the subject, let us go through. Section A, 10 marks, reading skills. Section B, 20 marks, writing skills and grammar. Section C, literature, 20 marks. So you have 50 marks paper. Now, I just want to know, Quest for Natural Living. Did we do this chapter in this term only?
No, ma'am, in first term we have read. Ma'am,
No,
we
ma'am, we have
started
done.
from half yearly.
We did it in half yearlies. Na? We only had half yearlies and finals. So natural living, only learn the word meaning. Only the word meaning. Nothing else. Don't go for the question answers. I repeat, quest for natural living, only go for word meaning. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Just let me know once again. Mother Bear's Call, Mora, the Millionaire Miser, and The Adventures of Isabel. These are the 4 chapters we took for the final term.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you sure? Are you sure that
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have done Quest for Natural Living we did before the exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so only
Yes,
prepare
ma'am.
word meanings. Okay, so only prepare word meanings from Quest for Natural Living. Okay, only the word meanings. Don't prepare question answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now if you have any other question, you are free to ask.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
One at a time, your name first, then.
ma'am, Riddhima.
Yes, Ridhima?
ma'am, sir.
Ma'am, in idioms which you have given in copy, only that will come or all the idioms will come?
No, only the ones which we have ticked.
Okay, ma'am.
Only and only the ones we have ticked. Good question. Take your time because once you will sit, then you'll have 10 other questions in mind. So that is why I'm giving you pleasurable time to discuss right now. Yes, any other question?
Ma'am, ma'am in suffixes and prefixes, ma'am. Ma'am, full table will come.
Table, I don't know, but the exercises which are given, prepare them well because mostly teachers give exercises from there only. But then they can give. I don't think so. They will ask you the meaning of it. Meaning will not be asked, but then to make a word out of those prefixes and suffixes, that could be asked. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in section B, ma'am, it will
One
have
at
message. Ma'am, it will have
first your
message,
name.
notice writing.
First your name.
Ma'am, Shabd Mittal.
Yes, Shab. Now tell me.
Ma'am, in section B, we will have message or notice and ma'am letter writing and grammar exercises.
No, that will be coming in writing skills. Section B has 2 parts, writing skills and grammar. Writing skills are of 8 marks. That will have your message, notice, and letter. So now there will be a choice between teachers. Some teachers might give you notice writing. Supposing her paper comes, then you will have notice writing. Supposing some other teacher's paper came and she has done message, so there will be a choice for the teachers, not for you. You have to prepare both message writing, notice writing, and letter. Okay, the
Okay.
third one is letter. Okay. Letters by all means, all the teachers will give. Message and note just have, yes, one at a time, name.
Ma'am, Shubham Gupta.
Yes, Shubham, yes.
मैम अगर मैम हम लोग आज फोटोज लेने नहीं आते हैं तो मैम हमको मैम किसी और दिन मिल जाएंगे मैम बिकॉज माय फादर इज आउट ऑफ स्टेशन
Child, every day teachers stay back till 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, no teacher will get you. So 11:30 to 12 is the time when you can come every day. I don't know about Saturday, but yes, 11:30 to 12 is the time when the teachers can meet you. So you can come to the uh, sister's office. You can ask for me, and sister will call me, and I will come and give you. And you can hand over the money to sister. Okay?
ओके मैम आई नीड इट
Any day, leaving Saturday.
ओके
Okay? Any other thing?
थैंक यू
Oh, it's okay. Any other thing?
Ma'am, my name is Aditi Bajpayee. Ma'am,
Yes,
will prayers also come in morals exam?
beg your pardon?
Ma'am, will
Please
prayers also come in moral exam?
no, child, prayers will not come.
Okay, ma'am.
Only the exercises, word meanings, fill in the blanks, etc., that are given, question answers that are given behind the chapter. Plus the reasoning questions which I keep giving you. Okay, how can you spread happiness? Give 2 ways in which you can spread happiness. Now you will write 2 ways on your own also. ठीक है? Like these kind of questions might come, but then nothing else outside it. Anything else? Anyways, this class I end now. Supposing you come across any other problem in future, you are free to ask me. Okay? You can leave a text message or an audio message and I'll respond to it. And I'm uploading this as a video on YouTube so that if you have any doubts, you can go through the video and you can understand for the rest part. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh.